Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're making the most delicious Neapolitan ice cream cake ever. It's a triple-decker monument to deliciousness. This showstopper is perfect for birthdays, barbecues, or occasions to impress. Imagine their reactions when you present this stunning cake. Neapolitan's magic is in the harmony of deep chocolate, smooth vanilla, and bright strawberry, a classic flavor combination. Let's make an unforgettable Neapolitan cake. Grab your ingredients and clear some freezer space. Every masterpiece starts with the right ingredients. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, having everything prepped and ready is the secret to a smooth, stress-free dessert experience. Here's what you'll need for our show-stopping Neapolitan tower. A dessert that's as fun to make as it is to eat. For the crust, grab 30 chocolate sandwich cookies, filling and all. The creamy centers add extra richness and help bind the crust together. Add 5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, which will bring everything together and give the base that irresistible buttery crunch. Remember a pinch of salt. It's a small touch, but it really enhances all the flavors. For the iconic ice cream layers, you'll need 1.5 quarts of chocolate, vanilla bean, and strawberry ice cream. These classic flavors create that signature Neapolitan look and taste. Let each flavor soften for 15 to 20 minutes before using. This makes them easy to spread and helps the layers stay even and smooth. For the luscious topping, you'll need 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. These whip up into a cloud-like finish. Add 2 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding mix for stability. This keeps your whipped cream firm and picture perfect, even after hours in the fridge. For the decadent chocolate drizzle, measure out a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This will give your drizzle a glossy finish and make it easy to pour. Gather everything before you start. No scrambling for ingredients mid-recipe. A tidy workspace means you can focus on the fun part, building your masterpiece. The key is quality. Choose rich chocolate, real vanilla bean, and the best ingredients you can find. It truly makes a difference in the final flavor. And for the strawberry layer, look for ice cream with real fruit pieces if you can. It adds a burst of freshness and color. Let the ice cream soften just enough to spread, but not so much that it melts. This step is crucial for those clean, defined layers. The stabilized whipped cream will hold up beautifully on your cake, keeping it looking stunning from the first slice to the last. The chocolate drizzle is the final flourish, a glossy, decadent touch that ties everything together and makes your cake irresistible. Ready? Let's move on to building the base. With all your ingredients prepped, you're set for success. This ultimate ingredient lineup is your ticket to dessert greatness. Gather your tools, bring your creativity, and let's roll. Time to lay the foundation. This is where our delicious journey begins, and trust me, a great crust makes all the difference. Our chocolate cookie crust is the base that holds it all together, giving structure and flavor to every single bite of our ice cream cake. Start by crushing 30 chocolate sandwich cookies into fine, even crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed, or go old school and smash them in a zip-top bag with a rolling pin. Either way, make sure there are no big chunks left. Pour the rich, chocolatey crumbs into a mixing bowl, then add 5 tablespoons of melted butter and a pinch of salt. Mix everything until the crumbs are evenly coated and the mixture looks like damp sand. This will help the crust hold its shape. Now, press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Use the bottom of a measuring cup or a glass to pack it down tightly, making sure there are no loose spots. Take your time to make sure the crust is even and reaches all the way to the edges. This will create a sturdy, uniform base that holds up beautifully when you slice the cake. This crust isn't just for structure. It adds a satisfying crunch and a deep, rich chocolate flavor that perfectly complements the creamy ice cream layers. Once you've packed the crust, put the pan in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial. It helps the crust set up nicely and firm. A solid, cold crust is key to clean, defined layers in your finished cake. It keeps everything in place and makes serving a breeze. Don't skip this step. Your cake will thank you later, and you'll be rewarded with perfect slices every time. While the crust chills, prepare your chocolate ice cream. Let it soften just a bit so it's easy to spread. This crust is the stage for our ice cream stars: chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla, each one ready to shine in its own layer. Remember, the better the base, the better the cake. A well-made crust means every slice will look and taste amazing. Let's keep the momentum going. Get your tools ready and clear your workspace for the next step. Next up, chocolate ice cream. Are you ready? Let's do it and start building those delicious layers. The crust is set. Time for the chocolate layer. Let your chocolate ice cream soften until spreadable, about 15 to 20 minutes. Scoop it onto the crust and spread evenly with an offset spatula. Work quickly to keep the crust intact and the layer smooth. Push the ice cream to the edges for a clean finish. Once smooth, cover with plastic wrap and freeze for 30 to 45 minutes until firm. This step keeps the layers distinct and beautiful. Don't rush. Solid layers make for perfect slices. Take a breather while it chills. Next, we'll add the vanilla layer. You're building a masterpiece, one layer at a time. Chocolate's firm. Let's add vanilla. Soften vanilla bean ice cream for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir until creamy, then gently spread over the chocolate layer. Be careful not to disturb the chocolate beneath. Smooth it out to the edges for a crisp, white layer. Cover with plastic wrap and freeze for another 30-45 minutes. This patient layering is what gives you those perfect stripes. The vanilla brings balance and elegance to the cake. One more layer to go, let's finish strong. Time for the grand finale, strawberry. Soften strawberry ice cream, then stir until smooth. Spread gently over the vanilla layer, all the way to the edges. Admire your tri-colored tower, chocolate, vanilla, and now a vibrant pink top. Cover with plastic wrap and freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight for best results. This long freeze fuses the layers and makes slicing a breeze. Don't rush. Solid layers are key to a stunning cake. You've built a true showpiece. Next up, the finishing touches. The best is yet to come. Your cake is frozen solid. Time to decorate. Whip 2 cups of cold, heavy cream with a half cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of instant pudding mix until stiff peaks form. Spoon or pipe the whipped cream on top. Make swoops or rosettes, your choice. For the chocolate drizzle, melt a half cup of chocolate chips with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in the microwave, stirring until smooth. Let it cool slightly, then drizzle over the whipped cream. Let some chocolate drip down the sides for drama. This is your moment to get creative. Make it your own. The whipped cream and chocolate take this cake from great to legendary. Stand back and admire your work. You've created a true centerpiece. One last chill. Then it's showtime. Let's get ready for the big reveal. Decorated and dazzling, your cake needs one final freeze, at least an hour, uncovered. This sets the whipped cream and chocolate for perfect slicing. Use this time to clean up and gather your audience. Ready for the reveal? Run a hot knife around the pan's edge, then unlatch and lift off the ring. Behold your tri-layered masterpiece. Distinct stripes, creamy topping, and glossy chocolate. For perfect slices, dip a sharp knife in hot water and wipe clean between cuts. Serve immediately and watch the smiles appear. You've built the most delicious Neapolitan ice cream cake from scratch. Take a bow. You've earned it. This is more than dessert. It's a celebration. Share it with friends and family. Enjoy every bite. You made this happen. The hard work paid off. Congratulations, cake artist. You did it. Your Neapolitan ice cream cake is a triumph. From the crunchy crust to the perfect layers and dreamy topping, you nailed it. Snap a photo and share your creation on social media and tag us. Drop a comment or photo below to inspire others. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic dessert builds. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Now grab a fork and dig in. You've earned every bite. Keep it creative, keep it fun, and keep baking. Until next time, happy baking.